Video number 8. How to get more views on YouTube Shorts. As the popularity of YouTube short videos reaches every corner of the world, many people have started to create exciting 15 to 60-second videos. But not many people know exactly how to grow YouTube Shorts content and garner more attention and views. Keeping this in view, we have curated a couple of techniques you can follow to get more eyeballs on your videos and connect with a new and even bigger audience. Let's find out. Set up YouTube Shorts channel. First things first, create a new YouTube channel dedicated to Shorts videos only. A separate channel will help you upload, organize, and manage the content easily and quickly. Plus, it makes it easy to get insights into your targeted audience and analyze the performance of each video. Note that YouTube doesn't offer any specific type of channel for YouTube Shorts, and you must proceed with creating a regular YouTube channel. Here's how you do that. Step 1. Sign in to YouTube from your PC or smartphone. Step 2. Hit on your profile picture at the top right corner and then click Create a Channel. Step 3. Now you have the option to set up a personal channel or a channel with a business or brand name. Choose an option. Create your name and other necessary details. And that's it. You have a dedicated channel for YouTube Shorts. Now use this channel to upload Shorts videos and try not to upload regular video content on this channel. Add YouTube Shorts as a featured section. YouTube algorithms collect data over time and recommend featured videos that they think might be useful or important to you. For this reason, when you add a short video as featured, YouTube automatically suggests it to a wider audience, and you get more eyeballs. This feature lets your viewers explore short videos in a never-ending TikTok-style format. Fortunately, it's exceptionally easy for users to prioritize the videos under the featured section. Here's how you do it. Step 1. From your PC's browser, sign into your YouTube account and hit on your videos in the navigation bar. Step 2. When the studio page pops up, click on Customization. How to create shorts that loop. Step 3. Now hit on Add Section in the Layout tab. Then select the option Short Videos shown in the list next to the Add the YouTube Shorts category. Step 4. After that, drag the Short Videos section from the moving handle at the left and place it at the top of the list just below the featured segment. Step 5. Finally, hit Publish to save changes. Optimize YouTube Shorts. After setting up the Shorts videos in the featured list, try to optimize the videos as much as possible to reach a bigger audience. Optimizing a short video isn't much different from optimizing a regular YouTube video. The tips you follow don't impact whether your video appears short or not. Discussed ahead are the most important variables you should consider to optimize the short video content. Attractive thumbnail. A thumbnail is the face of the video that lets users take a quick snapshot of what your video is about. So try to add as captivating thumbnail as possible to garner more clicks. For any video you upload, YouTube adds a thumbnail by default. Take it down and include a custom, more appealing image. Users can pick any image from within the videos or use a separate photo as a thumbnail. While adding a thumbnail, make sure it's relevant to the content of the video. The image should be clear, having text, if any, in large, bold letters to make it easier for the viewers to read. Don't use incorrect thumbnails as clickbaits. Your videos may get more eyeballs initially, but your channel loses credulity and followers in the long term. Compelling title. It won't matter how good your Shorts videos are if more viewers aren't attracted to them. And that's why YouTube video titles are so important. Considered as your video's most important piece of metadata, a compelling title ensures a video gets more attention and clicks. A video title includes a high-ranked keyword and a one-line summary of what viewers should expect in the short video. Plus, it's better if the title resonates with the thumbnail of the video. Detailed description. A video's description is the text below each video, which should include the theme, content, genre, and nature of the clip. A well-optimized description can lead your short video to higher rankings on YouTube, boosting the number of views. Write a relevant, complete, and captivating description to help the audience assess if the video would be helpful to them or not. Short tag. Your short video tags are basically for YouTube algorithms to assess the video's content. Make sure to add relevant tags for each of your videos. For instance, hashtag shorts in the title and/or description shows that the video is created for YouTube Shorts. Similarly, other tags reveal the theme and context of the video, allowing YouTube to understand its category, associate with other similar videos, and rank it higher on the search volume. Hopefully this video has helped you understand how to get more views on your YouTube Shorts. The tips and tricks discussed above have proven to be very useful for promoting TikTok-style short videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.